Welcome to another kitchen table seminar on how to work on the KISS wind generator. In this video we're going to talk about how to deal with the magnets. If the magnets come off or break and need to be replaced, there are three different kinds of magnets. The earlier ones from prior to around the early 2000s, maybe 2002 or 2003, had a rectangular magnet. Most of what we're going to talk about here applies to that as well. These are the later style magnets that are arced. I think you can see that, the arcing on the magnet. There are two different kinds of arced magnets. Some of them curve to the right and some of them curve to the left. The left curving magnets are the newer style that we started using in 2013. These have a higher temperature rating and they're a little bit stronger, but they will not interchange. So we need to know, if you're ordering magnets, we need to know if they're the left or the right facing magnets. They also have a north or a south polarity, and you need to know which polarity they are to reinstall the magnets. So we can determine that by using a compass. Taking the compass and holding it towards the outer curved surface of the magnet, like so. You see how the red arrow is pointing away? That tells us that this is a north magnet, because magnets of the same polarity are repelled, and the compass needle is actually a little tiny magnet. So on the other magnet, when we bring it near the compass, you can see that the red needle points towards the magnet, so that indicates that this is a south magnet because opposites are attracted. Now, when you're working with the magnets, be extremely careful. These are really strong and they're brittle. So if you have them on the workbench and they accidentally slide together, there's a pretty good chance that they will break. Even if you have them on the workbench and a hammer goes nearby, they can slide into the hammer and break. So when I'm working with them, what I do is I take the magnets and I put them well away from my workbench against a steel surface, well away from each other, so that they don't slide together and get broken. When you're reinstalling these onto the rotor shaft of the KISS wind generator, you'll need to clean the inside of the magnet, apply epoxy, and then install the screw with just your fingers. Don't use a impact wrench or tighten that screw too tight. 2 fingers, or a finger and a thumb, tighten the screw. If you have any questions, give me a call. I'm at 727-943-0424. Thanks.